Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of multi-vendor Amazon S3 extension for Magento 2. And using this extension, the sellers and the admin of the marketplace can upload files of downloadable products from their local disks to the Amazon server. After uploading the files, seller receives a link from the S3 through which the customers can access the files much quickly and without any traffic lags. So let's get ahead and let's see how this extension works. But before that, we'll be going to the admin backend configuration to check what the different configuration settings are there for the admin. And after that, we'll be showing you how the admin can add the files for the downloadable products within his account, and same for the seller end as well. So let's get ahead and let's go to the admin backend panel first to check the configuration settings. And after reaching the admin backend panel, you just need to navigate to the to stores configuration. After that, under the webcode block, here you can see the Amazon S3 menu option is available. Just click on that and this would bring up the general settings for this extension. So we have quite a little number of options here right now. So we'll be going through each and every option one by one. So the very first option that we have here is to enable or disable to save files on the Amazon server. So you can select yes to save the files on the Amazon server, else select no to not save the files. After that, you need to enter the access key ID and the secret key. After you have registered yourself with the Amazon S3 and after logging into your account, you can directly check your account for these two access keys and you need to enter those here. After that, the created bucket name, whichever bucket name you have created, you need to enter that bucket name and you need to select the associated region to that bucket. So whenever you have created the bucket, the region that you have associated with that bucket, that region needs to be selected here. If you have not selected the exact region that is associated with the bucket name, you will get an error that the bucket name is not available or something like that. So let's check that. Let me go ahead and let me check this, check the bucket availability. So here you can see that the status that says that the specified bucket does not exist. So always remember to enter the bucket name and the corresponding region that is associated with it should be selected. And after that, you can check the bucket availability by clicking the check button, and here you can see that the bucket is available. Now you can click the save configuration button to save the configuration settings. And after this, now we can go ahead and from the admin end as well, we'll be showing you how to add files for the downloadable products, and from the seller end as well. So for the admin end first, we'll go to the So just click on the catalog, then go to products, and on the product page on the right hand side you will see the add product drop down option is there. Just click on that and select the downloadable product type, that's the last one, to create a downloadable product. So we'll be filling up the information for this new product here, and after that we'll be uploading the files as well for this product. So let's go ahead and let's type in the name for this downloadable product. My down one. We will set the price, the quantity, and we'll select the category where this product would be available at. And after that, we'll have to upload the images for this product. So as this is just an example, so I'll be using any random images and upload files for this explanation here. And after that, we'll go to the main section, that is the downloadable information section. Now here the admin can add the files or upload the files into his Amazon S3 bucket that he has already created for a particular region that he has created. So now the admin would be able to upload all of his files rather than saving it onto his own server or onto his own local disk, the admin would be able to upload all of his files, images, videos that are there for his store for the products onto the Amazon S3 bucket, so that the data is whenever the data is being accessed, the data is directly being sent back from the Amazon S3 server. So under this section, the admin needs to set the title, and to add a link, the admin will click the add link button, and here you'll set the title. Then you'll click on the browse files to upload the files that you want to upload for this downloadable product. So for the time being, so I'll be selecting a file type for this. You can set the maximum downloads as well. If you set it as 1, then the customer would be able to download this file only one number of times. But if you have selected this as unlimited, then the customer would be able to download it unlimited number of times. So I'm going to edit another link as well, and I'll be uploading the file for that as well. Now here you can upload a file or a URL. So we are uploading a file right now. We'll click the browse this and we'll set the file. So we are done setting it up, and we'll click the save button. Now you can see that the product has been saved. So what we'll be doing, we'll be again going to the download information section for this particular downloadable product, and we'll be checking whether the Amazon S3 link has been generated or not. So here we are on the download information section, and now you can see that the volume 1 and volume 2 are there, and the URL has been generated. And here you can see that the Amazon S3 US East 2 area is being used, where our Amazon S3 bucket is there. So that was all about how to upload the files for the downloadable products from the admin end. So now we'll be moving ahead, and we'll be going to the seller end, and under the seller's account panel, we'll be seeing how the seller would be able to upload the files for his downloadable products, and it is much being done in the same manner the admin has done it. So let's go and let's check that as well. So the seller needs to log into his account panel in the first place, and after that under his dashboard, the seller has to go to the new product section, and here the seller would select the product type as downloadable and click the continue button after that, and this brings up the add product page. And here the seller would set up the information for this downloadable product. So we'll be calling it as down 3 for the timing for this example, the product name, and after that let me go ahead and let me fill up the required details that are required there, and after that we'll be moving ahead and we'll be showing you how you can add the files for the downloadable products. So I'll be just adding one image. Now under the downloadable information section here, you can set the title, and you can add new links as required. So here you can set the select a file, set the max download limit for the file, add any number of links that you'd like to enter here, click on the browse file, select the file, and similarly set the limit for the file, and lastly click the save button to save the product, to save the downloadable product. Now as soon as the product gets saved, you'll see that the URL would be generated off the Amazon S3 there, and the file would be uploaded to the Amazon S3 server there within your bucket. And whenever the data is being requested, or the downloadable product data is requested by the customer, at that time the file is directly sent from the Amazon S3 server to the customer. So let's go to this downloadable section, or the downloadable information section. Here you can see that the file has been saved on the S3 US East Amazon server under the downloadable files section. So that was much about editing or uploading the files for the Amazon S3 server there. So that was all about the multi-vendor Amazon S3 extension for Magento 2. If you have any queries or questions regarding this extension, you can always get back to us at support@webpool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webpool.ubdesk.com.